How to get original Snapchat notification sound. So if you want to get the original Snapchat notification sound, then what you need to do is simply tap and hold on to the Snapchat application and go for the app info. And once you're here on the app info, you will have the notifications option. Go for the notifications and make sure that you have turned on your notifications. Once you've turned on, now you can simply go for any notifications. For example, you can go for best friend messages, and here you will have an option of default. So make sure you have set the notifications to default. So you need to simply select default if you have selected any other option. And once you've selected the default option, you will have the app sound, or you can simply go for the sounds, which is here on the bottom. And now you need to simply go for custom ringtone and choose the custom ringtone or the default ringtone. And once you've choose that, you will get the original Snapchat notification sound. So that's it. You need to set it to default and you will have your solution. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.